your quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
No matter what your dreams are, be it your child's education, your dream business, your dream home, or a comfortable retirement, the Pru Wealth Plan from Prudential Life Insurance Ghana makes it possible. With the Pru Wealth Plan from Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, you can plan confidently for the future you want. All you need to do is pay affordable monthly premiums and receive a guaranteed lump sum at maturity, whether in 5, 8, 10, 12, or 15 years, starting from 100,000 Ghana cedis to as high as you desire. When your plan matures, you enjoy 5 more years of free insurance cover. And if life takes an unexpected turn, your family receives over 200% of the sum assured, ensuring they stay protected. They receive 100% immediately, 10% annually as support, and another 100% at maturity. The Pru Wealth Plan covers your spouse or partner too. With over 175 years experience, 26 million customers, and 24,000 employees worldwide, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana offers true peace of mind wherever life takes you. Whatever your goal, education, business, home, or retirement, the Pru Wealth Plan is your answer. Plan today, secure tomorrow. Contact us now to get a Pru Wealth Plan today.
Did you watch it? The carbohydrate opulence, the foundational edifice of energy. Carbohydrates plastically interspersed with protein. This is what I call proteinaceous dynamo. Explicitly sapid, unputadonably palatable. Now me the chop, now you the swallow.
Did you watch it? Fuel your cravings. Did you watch it? Epicurean magnificence.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Every morning, millions of Ghanaians wake up to build. Every morning, millions of Ghanaians wake up to build, to trade, to create, to hustle, to survive. What if everything pauses tomorrow? One fire, one flood, one robbery. You have worked too hard, you have sacrificed too much to lose it all overnight. Now there is a better way that your business never halts. Introducing Business Protection Insurance from Coronation Insurance Ghana, designed for Ghanaian entrepreneurs, protecting what matters most. Pay through MTN Momo. Get covered in minutes. Simple, affordable, accessible. Because every hustle deserves protection. Chale, you will secure your hustle. Business Protection Insurance from Coronation Insurance.
Hello everyone and welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2026 National Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Competing in this contest are Koforidua Secondary Technical School, Labone Senior High School, and St. Francis Xavier Jnr. Seminary Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Koforidua Secondary Technical is represented by
Obisindacha Jason
and
Samuel Jr. Sedem Ami.
Okay. Jason and Samuel, you are welcome. So you are the seeded school in this contest, right? What should we expect from Koforidua Sec Tech?
So even though preparation has been tough, we are here to deliver.
Okay. I wish you all the best. Labone Senior High is represented by
Foster Kojo Tompai
and
Adonu Mensa Godson.
Okay. Godson and Foster. All right. So how has the journey been? And what should we expect from Labone Senior High?
We've made it to the 1/8, and with God being on our side, we know that we will sail through. So we hope to sail through in this contest.
All right. I wish you all the best. St. Francis Xavier Jr. Seminary is represented by
Pankpare Walter Bamintwelieno
and
Pius Tuna Jima.
Okay. Pius and Walter, you are welcome. Okay. How has it been? The journey, I mean, and what should we expect from St. Francis Xavier?
It has been a stressful journey, but we are here to give it our all by the grace of God. And we hope we'll make it through.
Okay. I wish you all the best. Right. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service and supported by GOL PLC, Joy News, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Pepsodent, Cowbell, Truster AI, Jupay Money Transfer, Lumvax, GTP, Spin City Laundromat, Didi Jollof, Bell Beverages, Accra College of Medicine, Coronation Insurance Ghana, Academic City University, and YFM. I am Dr. Anita Opon, your quiz mistress. This is a prime time production. Okay, gentlemen, this contest, we have 5 rounds. I'll go straight to round 1. Round 1, questions go to each school. You have 10 seconds within which to give an answer, or 30 seconds if the question involves calculation. On one attempt, I take only one answer. If you give me 2 answers, I wouldn't know which one to choose. So just give me one to make my work easy, okay? One answer. If the answer you give is correct, the school may earn up to 3 points for the correct answer. If it's incorrect, I may pass the question on for a bonus. And the first out of the 2 schools to ring the bell will have the opportunity to answer for a bonus. If I have not ruled on the answer, please don't ring the bell, please. All right. If we understand each other, then we'll start round 1. I have a preamble. It's a bit lengthy, so listen. The period of small amplitude torsional oscillations of a bifilar pendulum is 4.00 seconds, when the filar separation is 2.00 meters, and the oscillations occur in the horizontal plane. Find the period of the pendulum at the given filar separation. The period of small amplitude torsional oscillations of a bifilar pendulum is 4.00 seconds, when the filar separation is 2.00 meters, and the oscillations occur in the horizontal plane. Find the period of the pendulum at the given filar separation. Did we get the preamble? Good. Koforidua Sec, 3.60 meters. Yes, Samuel.
We have 2.43 seconds.
Incorrect. For a bonus, all right, Labone Senior High, yours is 1.60 meters. Yes, Godson.
1.12 seconds.
Incorrect. For a bonus, St. Francis Xavier, yours is 0.640 meters. Pius?
We have 1.60 seconds.
No. For a bonus, okay. So for this one, you are comparing 2. Okay? So it's T2 over T1 equals S1 over S2, where S is the separation and T is the period. Okay? Next, another preamble. Give one function of modified roots. Give one function of modified roots. Koforidua Sec.
For storage of food and water.
For storage of
food and water.
Correct. Labone Senior High.
For breathing, that is area pneumatophores for breathing.
For breathing.
Or taking in of gases from the atmosphere.
Okay. I'll give 2. I'll give you 2. Okay. St. Francis Xavier.
For carrying out photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. No. For a bonus. Koforidua Sec.
For anchorage.
Okay, yes. All right. So the breathing is used respiration, okay? So that's why I gave you the two, because it's not the same thing, right? Then it fixes nitrogen and for reproduction or propagation, right? I don't have photosynthesis. Right. Another preamble. Name the process described. I'm going to describe a process. You are to name that process. Okay? Koforidua Sec. The removal of suspended clay from muddy water by adding a chemical that makes the fine particles clump together. Jason?
Sedimentation.
No. Labone for a bonus.
Coagulation.
Coagulation, yes. Your question. The removal of dissolved salts from seawater by forcing it through a membrane under pressure. Foster?
Ion exchange method.
No. For a bonus. This is a new, it's a technology we've been using for so long. Reverse osmosis. Yeah? St. Francis Xavier, the removal of dissolved color and odor by passing water through charcoal.
Screening.
Sorry?
Screening.
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 Screening. Oh, sorry. No. Screening. Incorrect. For a bonus. It is adsorption. Adsorption. So the particles will absorb onto the charcoal. Right. Another preamble. Solve the exponential equation for x. Solve the exponential equation for x. Koforidua Sec. You have a numerator, 8 to the power x minus 2 to the power x. Then a denominator, 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power x. And all this is equal to 17. Samuel?
X is equal to 2.
Incorrect. For a bonus? Okay, Labone, yours is the numerator is 27 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x. The denominator is 9 to the power x minus 3 to the power x. And all this is equal to 28. Godson?
Why x is 2?
Incorrect. For a bonus? All right. St. Francis Xavier, the numerator is 125 to the power x minus 25 to the power x. And the denominator is 25 to the power x minus 5 to the power x. And all this equals 25.
X is equal to 5.
No. Yes, Koforidua Sec check for a bonus.
X equals 25.
No. Ha. Okay, let's do this. So you take the numerator and you factorize out the common factor. For the let's use Koforidua Sec tech. When you factorize out, what will you get? 2x. What will be left in the bracket will be 2 to the power x. We'll be left with 4 to the power x minus 1. Then, when you go to the denominator, you factorize out 2x. It will be left with 2x minus 1. Is that okay? Then, you can cancel out. The 2 to the power x will cancel out, leaving 4 to the power x minus 1 divided by 2 to the power x minus 1. And 4 to the power x minus 1 is the same as 2 to the power x plus 1, 2 to the power x minus 1, right? So you'll be left with 2 to the power x plus 1 equals 17. Then you get 2 to the power x equals 16. And what is 16? 2 to the power 4. So x is what? 4. So Koforidua Sec Tech is 4. Labone Senior High is 3. And St. Francis Xavier is 2. Wait. Well, I will ask about this. Going on. A preamble. A resistor network contains resistors R1 equals 12 ohms, R2 equals 18 ohms, R3 equals 13 ohms, and R4 equals 8.0 ohms, with R2, R3, and R4 in series, and R1 is parallel with one of them. The network is connected across a 24-volt battery. Find the current in R1 given that it is in parallel with. So a resistor network contains resistors R1 equals 12 ohms, R2 equals 18 ohms, R3 equals 13 ohms, and R4 equals 8.0 ohms, with R1, R3, and R4 in series, and R1 is in parallel with one of them. The network is connected across a 24-volt battery. Find the current in R1, given that it is parallel with Koforidua Sec Tech R2.
.80 ampere.
Incorrect. Is 0.80. Incorrect. For a bonus, okay. Labone Senior High, R3.
.1 ampere.
Incorrect. Yes, St. Francis Xavier for a bonus.
2.4 ampere.
No. Your major question, St. Francis Xavier, R4. Pius?
3.7 ampere.
No. For a bonus? Okay, so it's 0.27 ampere, 0.39 ampere, 0.51 ampere. But before we continue, I think there was an issue with the math questions. So I'm going to replace the whole set. The whole set. Yeah.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Every morning, millions of Ghanaians wake up to build, to trade, to create, to hustle, to survive. What if everything pauses tomorrow? One fire, one flood, one robbery. You have worked too hard, you have sacrificed too much to lose it all overnight. Now there is a better way that your business never halts. Introducing Business Protection Insurance from Coronation Insurance Ghana, designed for Ghanaian entrepreneurs, protecting what matters most. Pay through MTN Momo. Get covered in minutes. Simple, affordable, accessible. Because every hustle deserves protection. Chale, you for secure your hustle. Business Protection Insurance from Coronation Insurance.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling them.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, child school is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all cost. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Adwa, listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. You may draw you business here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Show me your pain. Help you make the most of your money. Needs and needs. Send fire to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US, UK, and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
Still teaching with a whiteboard in 2026? Imagine bringing science, maths, and technology to life with just one touch. With the Lumvax Interactive Smart Display, learning becomes visual, encouraging, and unforgettable. From classroom to business, Lumvax delivers powerful display solutions for every environment. Trusted technology designed to inform, educate, and inspire. Lumvax, the smart way to display, teach, and communicate.
From across Africa, they come with dreams. At Academic City, they find purpose.
I am from Nigeria. Studying computer science here has opened my mind to the world of innovation.
As a parent, seeing my daughter thrive at ACT gives me peace of mind.
ACT didn't just teach me skills, it gave me the confidence to lead change.
A world-class faculty, hands-on learning, a campus that inspires bold thinking. Join a community building Africa's future today. Academic City University, educating future-ready leaders.
Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefi. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
No matter what your dreams are, be it your child's education, your dream business, your dream home, or a comfortable retirement, the Pru Wealth Plan from Prudential Life Insurance Ghana makes it possible. With the Pru Wealth Plan from Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, you can plan confidently for the future you want. All you need to do is pay affordable monthly premiums and receive a guaranteed lump sum at maturity, whether in 5, 8, 10, 12, or 15 years, starting from 100,000 Ghana cedis to as high as you desire. When your plan matures, you enjoy 5 more years of free insurance cover. And if life takes an unexpected turn, your family receives over 200% of the sum assured, ensuring they stay protected. They receive 100% immediately, 10% annually as support, and another 100% at maturity. The Pru Wealth Plan covers your spouse or partner too. With over 175 years experience, 26 million customers, and 24,000 employees worldwide, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana offers true peace of mind wherever life takes you. Whatever your goal, education, business, home, or retirement, the Pru Wealth Plan is your answer. Plan today, secure tomorrow. Contact us now to get a Pru Wealth Plan today.
Okay, so I apologize for that break, but I need to explain this. So this is under the power of indices, right? I was thinking when you multiply, it will square, but if you take the example that I used, 8 to the power x, you can break the 8 into 2 times 4, all to the power what? X. And this will be 2 to the power x multiplying 4 to the power x, right? That's why it's possible to get the 2 to the power x outside the bracket. We've learned something new today. All right. So we continue. Preamble states the system in humans to which the given structure belongs. States the system in humans to which the given structure belongs. Koforidua Sec, spinal cord. Jason?
The nervous system.
Yes, nervous system. Labone Senior High, heart.
The circulatory system.
Yes. St. Francis Xavier, fingernail.
Integumentary system.
Yes. Yes, that's correct. Another preamble. Identify the ion responsible for the given observation of an unknown solution. Identify the ion responsible for the given observation on an unknown solution. Koforidua Sec. Addition of aqueous sodium hydroxide gives a green precipitate, which turns brown on standing in air, whereas aqueous ammonia gives the same green precipitate, which is insoluble in excess ammonia. Go on.
Fe2+.
Yes, that's correct. Labone Senior High, addition of aqueous sodium hydroxide gives a pale blue precipitate, which dissolve in excess aqueous ammonia to give a deep blue solution.
Cu2+.
That is correct. St. Francis Xavier, aqueous sodium hydroxide added dropwise gives a white precipitate which dissolves in excess sodium hydroxide but is insoluble in excess aqueous ammonia. Pius?
Zinc 2+.
Incorrect. For a bonus, Labone Senior High?
Al3+.
That is correct. The last set of questions for round 1. Find the distance from the given point to the given line. Find the distance from the given point to the given line. Koforidua Sec. The point is 2, 3, and the line is 3x minus 5y plus 10 equals 0. Yes, Samuel?
Square root of 34 over 34 units.
Yes, that's correct. Labone Senior High, the points -3, 2, and the line 5x plus 3y plus 15 equals 0. Go on, Godson.
3 root 34 over 17 units.
Correct. St. Francis Xavier, the point is 5, -4, and the line is 2x plus 3y plus 12 equals 0.
You have -10 root 41 over 41.
Incorrect. Yes, Labone for a bonus.
10 root 13 all over 13 units.
Yes, that's correct. And that ends round 1. Before the scores for round 1, some petitions to address. This one is from Labone Senior High for the first set of biology questions. And they were asked to give one primary function of a modified root. So you gave me is used for breathing. That's for gaseous exchange, right? And I gave you 2 points for that. Please, I did not say that breathing is the same as respiration. That's not what I said. I said it's part of respiration. Isn't that what I said? Yes, that's why I gave him 2 out of 3. But consultant said I should accept the breathing. So they get 3 points. Then for St. Francis Xavier, they gave for photosynthesis. Consultant says should be accepted. So they also get 3 points there. So at the end of round 1, St. Francis Xavier Jr. Seminary Senior High School, 5 points. Koforidua Secondary Technical School, 11 points. Labone Senior High School, 15 points. All right. Round 2, the Truster AI Speed Race. So in this round, I'll be reading the questions to all the schools at the same time. The first to ring the bell will have the opportunity to answer. If you give a correct answer, 3 points. If it's incorrect, the second school that rang the bell and gives a correct answer, 2 points. The third school that rings the bell to give a correct answer, 1 point. All incorrect answers, a deduction of 1 point. Please bear in mind our 3 seconds rule. If you ring the bell, you are letting me know that your answer is ready, so don't delay with your answer. Go straight to the point. Or you will hear that bell. When we ring that bell, it means that I should move on. If you haven't started speaking from there, I'll move on. All right? And please don't read the question back to me. We're good? All right. Question 1. Find the magnitude of gravitational force at a point 1.5 times 10 to the power 6 meters from the center of an isolated spherical body if the escape velocity from that point is 2.5 kilometers per second. All right, answer is 2.1 meters per second squared. An object of height 6.0 millimeters is placed in front of a thin lens. If the object distance is 4.0 centimeters and the image distance is negative 8.0 centimeters, find the image height. Koforidua Sec.
Negative 1.2 by 10 raised to an exponent of 1 millimeters.
Incorrect. Find the image height. Yes, Labone.
Negative 12.0 millimeters.
Incorrect. millimeters. A 2.0 kilogram particle is acted upon simultaneously by a 12 Newton, a 2.0 J Newton, and a negative 7.0 J Newton force. Determine the magnitude of the single force required for equilibrium of the particle. St. Francis Xavier, Walter.
13 newtons.
That's correct. 10 seconds. How many boxes are in a typical punnet? Koforidua Sec.
4.
Incorrect. Labone.
16.
16. Yes. 10 seconds. Give the structure in humans that prevents the backflow of St. Francis Xavier.
Valves.
Incorrect. No one rang it. Okay. Prevents the backflow of stomach contents into the Yes.
Ileocecal valve.
There.
Ileocecal valve.
No.
Pyloric sphincter.
No. Into the esophagus. It is the cardiac sphincter or lower esophageal sphincter. 10 seconds. What is the smallest gland in the human? Yes. Labone.
The pineal gland.
Yes. 30 seconds. A 2.00 gram sample of impure limestone reacts completely with 30.0 centimeter cube of 1.00 mole per decimeter cube hydrochloric acid. Calculate the percentage of calcium carbonate in the sample. Okay, it's 75.0%, right? What is the pH of a 0.0050 mole per decimeter cube solution of barium hydro? Koforidua Sec.
11.
Incorrect.
12.
12, yes. St. Francis Xavier. 10 seconds. What is the maximum number of electrons in an atom that can have the quantum numbers n equals 4, L equals 1? Yes, Labone.
6.
6, that's correct. 30 seconds. Find the common ratio of the exponential sequence with consecutive terms x plus 1, x minus 2. St. Francis Xavier.
2/3.
Incorrect. Labone.
2.
2, yes. Next, 30 seconds. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve y equals the square root of the expression x squared plus 25. Koforidua Sec.
0.5.
Yes, that's correct. The last question for round 2. Find the constant P and Q such that the inequality Px squared plus Qx minus 8 is less than 0 has the solution set, the set where x is such that x is greater than -2 but less than 4. Yes, Labone.
Q is equal to -2 and P is equal to 1.
Yes, that's correct. And that is round 2. Koforidua Sec Tech. This was for the physics second question, where they were to find the image height. So the petition is, the magnification is -2, so the answer Sec Tech gave is correct. The negative sign implies the image is virtual. Yes, the image is virtual, but it has the same orientation as the object. So the height cannot be negative. All right? Okay. So at the end of round 2, St. Francis Xavier Jnr. Seminary Senior High School, 8 points. Koforidua Secondary Technical School, 10 points. Labone Senior High School, 26 points. Round 3, problem of the day. But before that, substitution for Koforidua Sec Tech, Samuel Amwa entry is coming in for Jason. Jason, that's... Okay. Jason, thank you for being here. Samuel, you are welcome. All right. Round 3, problem of the day. So I'll give you a problem. You have 4 minutes to provide a solution on the screens behind you. After 4 minutes, I'll look at your solutions. Then I'll go through what the consultant has given us, and then I'll award the marks accordingly. Okay? But there's something at stake here which you can win. If you get 10 out of 10 for the problem of the day, you can win the NSMQ star, which at this stage is worth 2,400 cedis. 2,400 cedis. And this is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, for every life, for every future. Please go to the whiteboards on your screens. All right. Pick up the sheet of papers. You are given one for each person. Lift it up. Put your pens down. Lift it up. And let's read through the problem of the day. It's from mathematics. Find values of the constants a, b, and c given a fraction with numerator x squared plus 3x minus 1, denominator the square of the expression x minus 1, multiplying the expression x plus 2. And this is equal to a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by the square of the expression x minus 1 plus c divided by x plus 2. This is the problem of the day. You have 4 minutes starting now. Stop writing. Okay, so we have the solutions from our contestants. Let's go through the solution from our consultants. So they were given a fraction with numerator x squared plus 3x minus 1, denominator the square of the expression x minus 1, multiplying the expression x plus 2. And this is equal to a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by the square of the expression x minus 1 plus c divided by the expression x plus 2. And so if you multiply through by the denominator, you arrive at x squared plus 3x x squared plus 3x minus 1 is equal to a multiplying x minus 1 multiplying x plus 2 plus b multiplying x plus 2 plus c multiplying the square of the expression x minus 1. If you write that 2 points, then if you look through, you realize that when x equals, you can use the factors. It will help you eliminate most of the unwanted ones. So x equals 1, you arrive at 1 plus 3 minus 1 equals 3b. And from there, you get that b is 1. If you do that, 2 marks. Then if you use the second factor, which is x equals negative 2, you do the substitution, you arrive at negative 3 equals 9c, so c is negative 1 over 3, also 2 marks. Then for x squared, if you compare the coefficient of x squared, you have 1 to be equal to a plus c. And we already know c, so it will be, it's 1 minus c to give us a, because we already know c from the first time. So 1 minus 1 over 3 becomes 1 plus 1 over 3, and that is 4 over 3. If you do that, also 2 marks. So you get 2 marks for writing the x squared is equal to 1 plus a, 1 equals a plus c. Okay? Therefore, a is equal to 4 over 3, b equals 1, c equals negative 1 over 3. 10 marks. Now to our contestants. Yes, contestants. Koforidua Sec Tech. Your problem started right from when you did the multiplying through. Instead of c multiplying the square of x minus 1, you got c multiplying x minus 1, x plus 2. That wouldn't have affected you solving for b, though. But in solving for b, instead of x cubed plus 3x minus 1, you wrote x cubed plus 3x plus 1. So you ended up with 5 over 3 instead of 3. So that's, you could have gotten something from there, but that's error. So I'm sorry, I can't give anything. Okay. And because the expansion, the multiplying through was wrong, they couldn't get B, they couldn't get A. So 0 out of 10. Labone Senior High also did the same thing when they were multiplying through. But as I said, it doesn't affect you finding B. So they were able to find B. So I can't give anything for the expansion. I will give 2 for finding the value of B. And since your multiplying through was wrong, you couldn't get A or C. So they get 2 out of 10. St. Francis Xavier gave me everything I was looking for, so they get 10 out of 10. And that ends round 3. end of round 3, Koforidua Secondary Technical School, 10 points. St. Francis Xavier Jnr. Seminary Senior High, 18 points. Labone Senior High, 28 points. Before round 4, substitution for Labone, Raphael Danso Apia is coming in for Godson Adonu Mensa. Thank you, Godson. Welcome, Raphael. Round 4, the Jupe true or false round. So I make a statement to the school. You tell me whether the statement I made is true or false. Correct answer, 2 points. Incorrect answer, deduction of 1 point. You may choose not to answer. I will pass the statement on. The first school to ring the bell out of the other 2 schools will have the opportunity to answer for 2 points if it's correct, but a deduction of 1 point if it is not correct. We have something at stake in this round too. If you give correct answers to all the statements, you get the clean sheet prize, which is worth 700 cedis at the stage of the competition. And this is sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet and need send via Jupe. Okay, let's start round 4. It has a preamble. The first set of statements has a preamble. A hydrogen atom in its first excited state, the magnitude of its electronic orbital angular momentum is, a hydrogen atom is in its first excited state. The magnitude of its electronic orbital angular momentum is, Koforidua Sec Tech, 1. Samuel?
True.
No. Labone Senior High, 1 or 0?
False.
Yes. St. Francis Xavier, -1.
False.
Yes, that is correct. Another preamble. When light rays enter the mammalian eye, most of the refraction occurs at the, when light rays enters the mammalian eye, most of the refraction occurs at Koforidua Sec Tech, iris.
False.
Yes. Labone Senior High, pupil.
False.
That's correct. St. Francis Xavier, cornea.
False.
No, that's true. A preamble. Water sample P and Q are examined in the laboratory. Water samples P and Q are examined in the laboratory. Koforidua Sec Tech. If boiling removes the hardness of Q, then Q owes its hardness mainly to dissolve calcium sulfate.
False.
Yes, that's false. Labone Senior High. If P contains dissolved magnesium sulfate, adding sodium carbonate will soften it.
True.
Yes, that's true. St. Francis Xavier, passing Q through a column of ion exchange resin will remove both its temporary and its permanent hardness.
True.
That's correct. Koforidua Sec Tech. If x is greater than -2, then x squared is greater than 4.
True.
How? Labone Senior High. If x is less than -5, then x squared is greater than 25.
True.
Yes. St. Francis Xavier, if x is less than 3, then x squared is less than 9.
False.
Yes. A preamble. In an isobaric ideal gas process, Koforidua Sec, internal energy is constant.
False.
Yes, that's false. Labone Senior High, the work done by the gas equals the product of volume change and process pressure.
True.
Yes. St. Francis Xavier, heat is absorbed.
False.
Yes, that's correct. Another preamble. The given non-vascular plants are flat, leaf-like, and grow very close to the soil. The given non-vascular plants are flat, leaf-like, and grow very close to the soil. Koforidua Sec, algae.
True.
No. Labone Senior High, conifers.
False.
Yes. St. Francis Xavier, grasses.
True.
No, that's a false statement. Preamble. Element X is in period 3 and element Y is in period 4 of the same group of the periodic table. Element X is in period 3 and element Y is in period 4 of the same group of the periodic table. Koforidua Sec, if X and Y both form oxides of the type MO, then the oxide of Y is more likely to be basic than that of X.
False.
It's a true statement. Labone Senior High, if the first ionization energy of Y is lower than that of X, then Y is the stronger reducing agent.
True.
Yes. St. Francis Xavier, if X and Y are both halogens, then the hydride of Y is a stronger acid in water than the hydride of X.
True.
Yes. The last set of statements for round 4 has a preamble. If an implication is true, then, Koforidua Sec, both the hypothesis and the conclusion are true.
True.
No. That's a false statement. Labone Senior High, both the hypothesis and the conclusion are false.
False.
Yes. St. Francis Xavier, either the hypothesis and the conclusion are both true or the hypothesis is false.
False.
No, that is a true statement. And that ends round 4. Xavier Jnr Seminary Senior High School, 25 points. Labone Senior High School, 44 points. Round 5, riddles. So I'll be reading clues, and you're going to use those clues to help me solve my riddles. If you're able to solve 4 riddles correctly, Goyle will give the school 1,600 cedis. If you solve 3 out of the 4 riddles correctly, you get 1,200 cedis. And this is sponsored by Goyle Good Energy. I will read the clues. You can... Koforidua Secondary Technical School, 11 points. Labone Senior High School, 44 points. St. Francis Xavier Jnr Seminary Senior High, 25 points. Labone Senior High School, 44 points. So, Labone, you were able to keep a clean sheet. So you are winning 700 cedis. And this is sponsored by Jupe. Okay. We move to round 5. So round 5, I'll be reading clues to one particular thing. You're going to help me solve that riddle. You can stop me anytime. Ring your bell. I'll give you the opportunity to answer. Correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any other number of clues from there, 3 points. If it's incorrect, you have to sit out. When we move to the next, then you join us. Okay? If you solve all 4 riddles correctly, you get 1,600 for the Goyle Riddle Bonanza. If you solve 3 out of the 4 riddles correctly, you get 1,200. And this is sponsored by Goyle Good Energy. Round 5. First riddle. I am a phenomenon associated with waves. I arise with both longitudinal and transverse waves. I am responsible for the redshift of light. St. Francis Xavier.
Interference.
Incorrect. So, Koforidua Sec.
Doppler effect.
Doppler effect. 3 points. Next, I am a key component of the mammalian hair. I consist of 3 concentric layers the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla. I am composed primarily of dead, highly durable cells. I am the part of the hair not anchored to the follicle. My cross-section is the primary determinant of the hair scale curl pattern or texture. Labone Senior High.
Hair strand.
Incorrect. I am the externally visible component of the hair strand. Who am I? Koforidua Sec.
Hair shoot.
Hair
Shoot.
Incorrect. Yes. St. Francis.
Hair shaft.
Hair shaft, yes. Hair shaft. I am one of chemistry's most useful consequence of chemical equilibrium. My influence follows directly from Le Chatelier's principle. I suppress the dissociation of weak electrolytes and reduce the solubility of many. Koforidua Sec.
Common ion effect.
That's correct. 3 points. Then the last riddle. I am a 4-digit number. All my digits are even. I form an increasing linear. Koforidua Sec.
2,468.
Yes, that's correct. 3 points, and that ends round 5. Contests, Koforidua Secondary Technical School, 20 points. St. Francis Xavier Jnr. Seminary Senior High School, 28 points. And Labone Senior High School, 44 points. So, Koforidua Secondary Technical School, you got 3 of the riddles correctly, so you win the Gold Riddle Bonanza, which is worth 1,200 cedis. Right. St. Francis Xavier, so you got the NSMQ star, which at this stage of the competition is worth 2,400 cedis. Labone Senior High, you have qualified for the next round. Congratulations. And you also take home the clean sheet prize, which is worth 700 cedis. We look forward to seeing you at the quarterfinal stage. Yes, and you've now planted a seed. Okay. Yes. So, thank you, viewers, for joining us for this contest. Do join us when we bring you the next contest. Labone, I haven't finished with you. If your score of 44 remains the highest for the day in this auditorium, you stand to win the Pep Student Highest Scorer Award, which is worth 2,000 cedis. And this is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service and supported by Goil PLC, Joy News, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Pepsodent, Cowbell, Truster AI, Jupe Money Transfer, Loomvax, GTP, Spain City Laundromat, Didi Jollof, Bell Beverages, Accra College of Medicine, Coronation Insurance Ghana, Academic City University, and YFM. I am Dr. Anita Upon, your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production.
Thank you.